Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs backpack from Coey Bags. And if you are new here, I've worked with Coey Bags so many times. I really love them. They are an online website that specializes in high quality reps, so they have so many different designers such as Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci, Dior, the list goes on, and I love their quality so much. Like, it's really spot on, like mirror image of the real thing, but for a fraction of the price. And also I always have a discount code included, and I will have everything linked in the description box below. So if you guys already know, the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs bag was actually a really popular bag a few years ago, and I feel like it's becoming kind of like one of their classics because it's still pretty popular today. So I finally got my hands on one because y'all was like, you know what, I feel like this would be a good little everyday bag, because I saw this one creator wearing it and I really liked the way she wore it, because she didn't wear it as a backpack but she wore it as a crossbody, and I was like, okay, that's perfect. So here's the bag, and it's such a good size, like a really good size. So here we go. And then it does come with the straps. So here's one strap and here's the other one. So of course you would put the straps on regular if you're doing backpack, but to do crossbody you just crisscross it, and then I'm able to wear it in the front of me. So it's gonna look so cute. So I'm really excited about the bag. But let's get into some more specs of it. So it does come with a dust bag as well. So here's the dust bag. It says Louis Vuitton on it, and then it also comes with like a little shopping bag and some like receipts. So the actual bag is really nice quality. It's the top of it, the side, side, bottom. I'm always so impressed with Coey Bags. There's the inside. So like I said, it has a really nice amount of space for it to be a mini backpack. And then you can see it just says Louis Vuitton on the inside. It also has like that little pocket, which is perfect. And it's very sturdy. Like, this isn't a flimsy bag. It's very sturdy. So it sits up on its own. Go ahead and zip it. It does have LV on the tassel, LV right here, so it does have this front zipper as well. And under here it does say Louis Vuitton, and then you have some space to put some stuff too. For here I'll probably just put some coins in there. This is the backpack. It's so cute, and I really love how versatile it is. Like, I don't know why at first I only thought you could wear this as a backpack, but lately online I've been seeing people wear it as a crossbody. So I was just like, okay, this is perfect. Like, really perfect for like everyday use, because my other Louis Vuitton crossbody, I no longer have it. When I had a dog, he chewed up the handles, and then it was getting old and didn't look good anymore. So I was like, man, I really wish I had a Louis Vuitton crossbody again. And I was like, this ended up being perfect. So I cannot wait to have this in my everyday. So I'll have it linked in the description box below for you guys, plus a discount code so y'all can save some money. Hope you all enjoyed this quick unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.